Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your hardware so you can capture the Xbox output. This is why you need a USB capture device. Chromebooks lack HDMI input. Once you have a compatible capture card, connect the Xbox HDMI output into the capture card, and then connect the capture card to your Chromebook's USB port. Make sure the Xbox is powered and set to allow display output. After that, give the Chromebook permission to access the USB video device so the stream can appear. Now you open the software that reads the capture device, choose a simple web app, or run OBS via Linux on supported Chromebooks. When the capture device appears, select it as the video source and set resolution to 1080p at 60Hz to match the Xbox. This reduces scaling artifacts. Next, pick the capture card as audio input to get game sound. Once done, tweak bitrate and buffering to balance latency and clarity, and disable extra video sources like your webcam to preserve bandwidth. Finish by making the capture full screen and placing your Chromebook on a stable surface. This gives you the closest feel to a monitor. Adjust Xbox display settings, lower latency, or enable game mode, and set the Chromebook to not sleep while playing. If you notice stutter, try a different USB port or a powered hub to ensure the capture card gets enough power. If you get no image, make sure Chrome or your app has camera permissions and test the capture card with another device to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.